Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a slightly different video. Instead of telling you about physics, I'm going to tell you how you can revise. The reason for this is because many of the people that see my videos are students and they are just going to have exams pretty soon. So here it is to help you out, and I hope it helps everyone really, either if you're taking a physics degree or something else, okay? So, actually, and this is a scientific study, what makes that someone is going to fail or succeeds in exams and in life is to do with the grade. It's nothing to do with your IQ or your background. It's actually to do with this character, this feature of your character that we call the grit. So I have there some other alternative names for grit, and I have there the definition. Courage and resolve, strength of character, has to do with if you have a backbone, moral fiber, the nerve, the valor, stamina. So all of these, if you're tough enough, if you actually go there and go for it, go for your goals. And this is, as I told you, a scientific study. So it's not so much if you're good at science or not, but it's how much work you actually put into your goals, okay? So how much work you put into getting there. So look at that video about the grit, okay? And this is going to show you that actually it's not about this mindset of I'm not good enough. It's actually you are good enough. You just need to go for it, okay? Now, something else that happens as well is that students have panic attacks. So you may have the grit, but you just, you are so nervous about your exam, you go there and you have a panic attack. Now, I'm not even going to go into too much detail because there is so much about panic attacks. But I'm going to say very generally that often you get a panic attack when you start hyperventilating. So when you're not breathing normally, you start to have smaller bits of breaths and they are going to be quicker, okay? So what you need to do, if that is happening to you, the best way for you to come out of it is actually to stop panicking, sit down and control your breathing. Count the breaths in, count the breaths out, and sooner or later you're going to be out of your panic attack, okay? Other thing that happens is people cannot sleep well. And they say, you know what, I'm studying really hard, but I'm not being productive because I'm not sleeping well enough. So I'm giving you 2 things there that you can do to fight insomnia. So one of them is about eating well. There are some foods that are going to help you to sleep, okay? And I'm not saying that you get sleepy if you eat those foods, but those are foods that help you to actually sleep well. So they include yogurt, cheese, bananas, eggs, peanuts, tuna. So try to have, especially in the exam time, try to have attention to what you're eating and going for these foods, okay? Something very important as well is to have a routine, a sleep routine, okay? Going to bed and being on your phone actually makes it harder for you to sleep. So what you should do is limit the amount of technology you use, looking at screens, looking at your phone, and always stop at a certain time and keep that routine at least during the exam season. Go to bed to a normal time, wake up at a normal time, and keep it during the weekends. And this makes that your body automatically gets ready to sleep at a certain time, gets ready to wake up at a certain time, okay? Finally, I'm going to give you some scientific proven tips that help you to study, okay? So there are going to be 9 of them, and again, click on that link and see what they are going to say. And I am telling you, if you have the grit and if you follow these tips, you're going to be fine, okay? So do that, okay? Follow my advice and good luck. You're going to do well if you're going to find, to follow all my suggestions. And you won't even need the luck, okay? So take care, guys. Any questions, just, as always, talk to me in person or message me. Be happy and healthy, and see you soon. Bye!